Today I'm going to show you the version 3 of my AI app generator. If you want to check out the other two versions, I have uploaded them in this playlist. You can go ahead and check them out. And let's get started now. So today I'm going to show you the two features that I've added to the app, and I'm going to use stickman animation to demonstrate it. But please remember, AI finds it really hard to do animation, so I don't expect the animation itself to look amazing, but I want to show the features that I've developed using those animations. Let's get started. So we need to build a stickman app. Let's give the title, and we give the command, create a stickman animation. There should be a command, a text box below where I can give commands like left, right, and jump. Based on those commands, he should do the activity for 2 seconds. If there is a sequence of commands like left, jump, and right, he should go left for 2 seconds, jump once, and go right for 2 seconds. Make him move the legs and arms to be a bit realistic. Okay, so we click submit, and this is the first feature I added. It shows you that the page is loading and there is some processing happening behind the scenes. Now you don't have to worry that the page is stuck. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds for it to generate the code and add the link to the app here. Okay, so we have our stickman app here. I'm gonna click that. Well, there is a stickman and the command section is there. Let's give the commands: left, jump, right. Well, he's following the commands, but not really moving the arms and legs, right? So let's try one more. Jump, 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 right, left. Yeah, he's following the commands all right, but not moving his arms and legs. So now this is the second feature I added. So instead of having to go back to the home page and type your command by selecting the app, you can ask for the changes directly from the app now. So let me show you how. Well, the arms and legs aren't moving to mimic the action. You know how people move their hands and legs while walking or jumping? Add that. Okay, so I click send here, and it will now refresh the page, process it, ask OpenAI for new code, and update the page. And once it's done, it will let us know. Right now, I have to manually refresh the page, but I have already added the feature in the latest version where the page automatically refreshes as well. Let's wait for the spinny thingy to finish. Okay, so page uploaded successfully. Now we just hit refresh. Let's see how it looks. Fingers crossed. Jump, right, left, right. Oh, there is some animation, but it looks like he's walking on a tightrope, you know? It looks like he is walking on a tightrope. Well, that's actually not a bad idea. Put a tightrope below him so that it looks like a stickman on a rope. Change the title to say the same. Okay, so we are shifting gears here. It's no longer just the stickman, it's a stickman on a rope. Let's see what it does. Again, I wanted to show the features I have developed to the app. The spinny wheel and the chat prompt at the bottom of the screen on the apps that you generated, so you don't have to go back to the home screen and change the app. You can directly ask for changes from here. In the latest version, you don't have to hit refresh also. It automatically does that. Okay, there is a rope. Left, 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 right, jump. Let's see, left, right, right, right. Okay. Well, reasonably okay, I would say. Maybe I should take the win and stop at this point. But I do see a little bit of gap between the legs and the rope. So let's see. Move the rope a little bit up. So his legs are touching it. I hope it doesn't screw it up. Let's see. I'm very worried it's gonna screw it up. Come on. Fingers crossed, folks. Let's see how it looks now. You better not look really bad. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Man, let's see what happens. Left, right, jump. I don't even know what is happening now. Like, why is the rope near his hands? Not this. Looks really bad. The rope should be touching his bottom. Well, not bottom. Um, the bottom of his feet. Right now, the rope is at his hands. Okay, again, fingers crossed. I hope it makes it better, not worse. It'll be weird if the rope goes through his head or something now. It's taking a bit. Okay, let's refresh the page. Okay, it put the rope at the bottom. And the title is stickman on the rope, so I guess we are okay. Let's see if it executes the commands. I should probably take the win here. Maybe we add some background things to it. I guess that's okay for now. Maybe add a couple of clouds and sun in the sky. Let's see what it does. I really hope it doesn't move the sun along with my commands. When I say left, right, and jump, if the sun moves left, right, and jump, it's gonna be hilarious. Let's see. I think what I can do is like create some animations already, like let it have a package for a stickman or like a cat or something with some commands already predefined that I know will work, and add the ability for users to go and use those elements in their app. You know what I mean? That way, AI doesn't have to generate the code for actually doing the animation. All it needs to do is use the code that already exists and do whatever animation that the users want. That might be a better approach, but that's for a later version. Okay, the sun's there. Let's keep commands. Left, right, please don't move. Left, right, left, jump, jump. Hey, the sun is not moving. I'll take the win, guys. I'll take the win. Okay, but I really cannot unsee those hands, like what the hell are they doing? They need to move like a person's. Actually, I still can't get over the hands. They should be two separate lines, not a single line, that act as per the action he's doing. Right now, I think you just used one line for both hands together. So this is my theory on what it's doing, and I'm gonna see if it can update it. Again, no guarantees here, folks. So let's see. I just hope it doesn't make it worse. As long as it's status quo or an improvement, I'll take it. It's spinning for a while. I think the code is quite large at this point. Okay. Let's see what happens. Is there an improvement or it made it worse? Well, it didn't change a thing. And I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm not gonna try to improve it. I just wanted to show the features of the spinning loading page and the ability to change the code or change the app directly from the app instead of going to the home page. Okay, so can you at least add a house behind him. And for God's sakes, don't move the house. As I was saying earlier, you don't have to refresh the page in the latest version. Once it's done saying page is updated, it'll automatically refresh rather than you going to go to the home refresh button on the browser. Come on, come on. Okay, there we go. I see a brown hut, but I'll let it be. Let's see if it's functional. Okay, the house is not moving, the sun is not moving, the person is moving. I'll take the win. If I give a wrong command, what happens? That's good. It's ignoring the wrong commands. Very nice. Okay, so that's all, folks. That's the demo. I picked animation, even though I knew it was a tricky part for AI, just to show how good it has become already. It can only improve in the future. And I wanted to show the features, right? So I showed you that now when the page is loading, it will indicate that the page is loading. And the more interesting feature is the command prompt at the bottom right of the screen, where you can just update the app directly instead of going back to the home page, selecting the app and asking it to update. Again, if you haven't checked out the other two videos in this series, please go ahead and check it out in the playlist. They are pretty cool as well. Now, I want to make further updates to this, and like I have some features in my mind already. One is to add versioning to this page or to this app, so that if AI screws up your page, you can go and hit revert, and it reverts to the previous version where it was fine, working fine, right? So that's one feature I want to add. I also want to host it somewhere on the internet so that others can use it as well. But I don't want AI generated code to randomly go and do some harmful stuff. I need to figure out how to make that safe. If you have any ideas on how to make that safe, please leave in the comments. And I'm talking to a few folks who are experts in this field to see how to make that happen as well. Then the second problem is this app isn't cheap, folks. Every time you give a command asking to change something in the page or asking to go ahead and update the page, I'm calling OpenAI APIs to get AI to write the code for me, which is not cheap. I have to pay them money. So it would be great if you could let me know in the comments if this is something that you would be willing to pay for, because even when I put it online, I can only make maybe the first 2-3 queries free. Beyond that, I wouldn't be able to support it for free, right? Because I'm having to pay that money to OpenAI. So let me know in the comments. I just want to know how much interest there is for this app. And based on that, I can take some decisions on whether I go and invest more money and effort into it. Actually, I don't mind the effort. It's just the money I have to pay, money for OpenAI and so on. So let me know in the comments what you think, and if you need any enhancements, you can let me know about that as well, and I'll try to make that happen. Okay, so that's all, folks. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to it for future updates to this app. And for more tech related things, I'm also working on other like learning sessions for Kotlin and trying to use ChatGPT in very creative ways to help job seekers and so on. Please go ahead and check those videos also. And please share this channel with your friends. I'm trying to get some engagement going. Thank you very much. Bye.